Hello, hello guys. This is I think tutorial number 8, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about clip command. Clip command is inside the Tikz, and let's see how it works. So yeah. So as you can see in the previous tutorial, we have talked about the inline Tikz, and now we are gonna talk about the clip command. So delete all this and start with the fresh diagram. So begin center again. You do not have to wind this all in center, but I do this because I want the diagram to be in the center, exactly in the center of the page. So one more tip I'm gonna give you today, like suppose you want this diagram in the center, so let's draw a few diagrams. Let's draw a circle. Draw like circle, let's say 50 point. Why it's taking so long? So yeah, as you can see, circle is in the horizontal center, not the vertical center. But what if you want the circle exactly in the middle of the page? So as you can see, there is some kind of lines above, and then after in the middle comments, and down here we are drawing the text picture. And if you want this picture to be exactly in the center, you just have to use vs space command, and inside vs space you have to just fill. Fill means just it will fill the remaining space, and it will just shift the circle above. So if you run this command, you will get a lot of free space below the circle, and the circle will get shifted upward, as you can see. So yeah, this is how you can center. Actually this command is already done inside the v title. That's why you are seeing the circle in the center. If you hide this thing, let's hide this thing. If you hide this thing, you will see the circle above the midpoint. As you can see, circle is above, and most of the spaces below the circle is vacant. So if you want exactly in the center, then you have to use this command above the center or staging environment. Then it will just fill up the both part of the space, and in between just draw a circle. As you can see, this circle is exactly in the middle. So yeah, we wanted something more, like we wanted clip command, right? So let's see what a clip command does actually. So to illustrate clip command, let's give us a basic idea what is clip command. So clip command starts with backslash clip, and then after you can draw any shapes, so any closed shape, of course. So let's start with suppose start with 0,0 origin, and we want a rectangle, and rectangle will move towards I don't know what 50 point means, so put exact radius. So radii, sorry, I'm spelling out the radius. So radius is equals to 1 unit, and we want a rectangle from the center of the circle to like this, or you can say a square. So 1 comma 1. What it will does is it will just clip out this part and only show this part in the diagram. So let's check it out. So yeah, as you can see, clip just shows only part which lies within the clip shape, and below the clip line everything will get hidden, only shown in the particular area. So let's do one more thing. So let's define a circle. By the way, inside the clip you can define any closed geometry. So let's say radius is equals to maybe 1 unit. So because the drawing is also the circle and clipping is also the circle of same dimension, that means the whole circle will be visible. And if we do something like now let's draw a like line. So line from 0, 0 to 5, 0. So 0, 0, 5, 0, and if we draw like if we clip this circle, then only you will see the line in between inside the circle region. And one more thing, let's run it first. As you can see, so yeah, I think you have got the idea what clip does actually. So let's give you some more example in which diagram I showed. So let's delete this part and hide unhide something else. Let's unhide this part. So let's run it first. Let's see what's in this diagram actually. Where is the problem? Oh, I have battery. Like, let's do not use the special package color red. What is the problem? Color should be red. Oh, I am. So let's run all these. So as you can see, it's the like a few diagrams of capacitor from the earlier tutorial. And now if we want a certain part of the diagram to be shown and remaining part to be hidden, so just you have to like start of the like it depends on you, if you want to hide full diagram or a certain part, according to that you have to place the clip command. So let's just place the clip command on top of the on top of every Tikz command. So right, so clip, and then start. As you can see, where is the battery? So battery is like in the center. As you can see, it's origin, and then you can move over. So if you want right now to be only visible this battery and remaining of the geometry to be hidden, for that I'm gonna clip the region with a like circle, or any, if you wanna do properly you can do of course with rectangle. So radius is equals to 1 unit, and if you run this command, this circle has the center at this point, and this will occupy about this kind of area, and remaining will get hidden. So let's run it first. So yeah, as you can see, everything got hidden, but the region inside the circle of clip command only showing for the whole diagram, and you can zoom and scale thing up. So yeah, I think you have got the point of the clip command, and thank you. See you in the next tutorial. So let's fix it.